Oh my gosh, it's that beautiful Yellow Banks rose. It is in its full glory right now on April 10, 2021. I'm not sure I've ever seen it as vibrant and brilliant. The flowers all the way down to the ground, hanging on those long. Look at that. I'll take you on a 360-degree experience of the Yellow Banks rose here growing over the pool. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Called a Banks rose, and this one happens to be yellow, so we call it our Yellow Banks rose. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I've seen it any better. Continuing on around real quick, you can see how lush it is. It's been rainy and sunny and cool. This thing is just magnificent. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Growing over our arbor here by the pool. Look at that up through there. Oh my gosh, that is pretty brilliant. Worthy of the Atlanta Botanical Garden, I'm sure. Let's walk. I'll walk you under the arbor. Can't see them from under the arbor, but when you come out, you have to kind of duck. It is so heavy laden with blooms and blossoms. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I think it's cool when you can kind of take a little tour through the blossoms. See the blossoms right quick. Oh my gosh. Look at that. The Yellow Banks rose in its full glory.